right? No, 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 no. You, अरे my dear, हाँ mute the microphone. कि हाँ mute the microphone. Yes, Rohan Gandhi, mute the microphone. Rohan Gandhi, mute the microphone. Unnecessary you are talking. हाँ. Now, if there is no request, how I can admit? हाँ, name the rays in the figure. The rays in the figure. Rays means one point and one arrow. Rays means one point and one arrow. So the rays are OD, OC, OB, OA. The rays are OD, OD, then OD, then OC. The rays are OD, OC, then OB, OB, and OA. The rays are OD, the rays are OD, OC, OB, OA. The rays in the given figure are OD, rays means one point and one arrow. The rays in the given figure are OD, OD, OC, OB, OA. These are the rays. These are the rays. Mute the microphone. These are the rays in the given figure. The second is O, the starting point of each rays. The rays start. Yes. The rays start from the dot. So these are rays. They start from O. The dot is O. So each ray starts from the O. So O is the starting point of each ray. So we write yes. Yes, O is the starting point. O is the starting point. O is the starting point of each rays. Yes, O is the starting point of each rays. Because yes. O is the starting point of each rays because the rays start from dot. Yes, mute the microphone. The rays start from the point. Yes, mute the microphone. The rays starting from the point. So this is my point from where the rays starts. The rays are OD, OC, OB and OA. O is the starting point of each rays. Yes, O is the starting point. No, O. O. Yes, all the start. No. O is the starting point of each ray. All the rays start from O. The rays. No. This is the reason. No, O is the starting point of each rays. So, yes, there are 4 rays, and mute the microphone, and all the 4 rays starting from the point O. Now let us do 8th one. Give 2 examples for each of the following. Reason is this much only. The reason is this much only that O is the starting point of each rays. So the answer is yes. The reason is this much only because from this figure we can clearly see. From the figure we can clearly see that all the rays they start from O. All the rays they start from O. Now 9th is give 2 examples. Give 2 examples. You see the setting of your phone. Give 2 examples for each of the following. For each of the following. Give 2 examples for each of the following. Each of the following from your surroundings. From your surroundings. From your surroundings, in your surroundings, whichever objects are there, you have to give example of that. First it is a line. First it is a line. Sorry, first it is a, not line, it is point. First it is a, that is point. This is the point. Give two example. Yes. Give two example of the point. Give two example of the point. Yes. Give two. Give two. Wait. No, it is clear, right? It is clear. Yes. Keep the phone horizontal. No, not problem. Now give example of. Give two example of point. The first example is tip of the pencil. Tip of the pencil is, yes, this is my pencil. This is my pencil. This is the tip of the pencil, and this is the example of point. First example is tip of the pencil. Yes. Write on this. Example you have to write. Tip of the pencil is the you can write tip of the pen, no problem. Tip of the pencil is the first example of point. Then second example is draw the pencil. What is harm there? Draw the pencil. Then the second example, location where two walls and the floor meet. Location. Right. Location where two walls. Location where two walls and floor of the room meet. Another example of point is location where two walls and floor of the room meet. So suppose there is one wall, this is one wall, and this is another wall, this is another wall, and this is the floor. This is the floor. Now where the two walls and the floor meet. Yes. True. Location where two walls and floor of the room meet. These are walls, and this downward is my floor. Now where the two walls and the floor meet, this is my point. Where the yes, draw that also. Draw also. Yes, it is clear. It is clear, right? It is clear, right? It is clear. Unnecessary. Do not create the disturbance. Do not create the unnecessary disturbance. It is very much clear. It is very much clear. Yes, right. No, it is clear, my dear. Yes, it is very much clear. No. We are able to. Now, the example of point are tip. The example of point is tip of the pencil. Tip of the pencil, and second example is the location where two walls and floor of the room meet. You can see wherever room you are sitting, you just see the two walls and the floor where they meet. That location is the example of point. Yes. Where yes. Where the two walls and the floor meet. Now second is ray. Give the give the example of yes, sun rays. Give the example of rays. Yes. The example is sun ray, and second example is surface. Second example is lighted torch. Second example is lighted. Second example is lighted torch. All of you have seen the torch. Yes, all of you have seen the torch. From there the rays goes. From there the rays goes. Lighted torch. This is torch. From torch you can see the lighted rays. They are the example of rays. Yes. No. It cannot be the tip of the pencil. It will be in the form of ray. No. Where? No. But that whether that point moves further, tell me. Whether that point moves further, the tip of the pencil does not move further. So that is considered as the point only. Draw this. But if you see the lighted torch, whatever light comes from that light is in the form of ray. That light is in the form of rays. Then you have seen the sun rays. Yes. Then you have sun rays. Yes. We have sun rays. It is clear, right? We have sun rays. You have seen the sun. From sun you have having different rays. Yes. Yes. Now third is line segment. Third is line segment. Third is line segment. If you see the corner of the paper, if you see any paper, if you consider a paper, if you see the paper, I draw this. This is the yes. This is the paper. Wait. With pen only you draw. This is the paper. These are the edges. So yes, edges of the paper. There are 4 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 edges are in the form of line segment. So we write first example. Edge of a paper. Then if you see in the geometry box, you have the ruler. Yes, you have seen the ruler, no? In the geometry box. This is my ruler. Now this ruler has the edges. This ruler has the edges in the line segment form. So edge of the ruler, right? Edge of the ruler. Edge of a ruler is in the form of line segment. These are edges. They are in the form of lines. These are edges of a ruler are in the form of line segment. These are the edges of the ruler which are in the form of line segment. Clear? Yes, right. Which are in the form of yes. Right. Draw that also. Yes. Draw it fast. Draw that diagram. Yes. So edge of the paper edge of a paper, then edge of a ruler. All of you seen the ruler in the geometry box. So they are in the form of line segment. The edges of paper and edges of ruler, they are in the form of line segment. Now fourth is the plane surface. Plane surface. Plane surface. We have to give the example of plane surface. 1 minute. See, if you see the wall, yes, if you see the wall is flat. The surface of the wall is flat, no? Wherever, so, let it be. I will not admit. Surface of a wall is plane. The wall of the surface is plane. Then similarly, if you see the floor, this is my floor of the room. Yes, the floor of the room is also flat. So surface of a wall and surface of a floor. Surface of a wall and surface of a floor, they are the example of plane surface. You can also give the example of mirror, the surface of the mirror, yes or no? You can also give example of mirror. The surface of the mirror is flat. So that is also known as plane surface. Yes, that is also known as plane surface. Then curved surface. Yes. Curved surface. Now plane means flat. Plane means flat. Curved surface means the surface will be of this type. Curved surface. Yes. Curved surfaces, you can take the example of egg. You can take the surface of a ball. Yes. You can take the example of surface of a ball. You can take the example of surface of a lemon. Yes. Surface of a lemon. Surface of a ball, they are curved shape. Curved shape means of this type. So plane surface means flat. Yes, egg also you can take. So curved surface means it is not flat. Plane surface means flat. Curved surface means it is not flat. So the best example of curved surface are lemon, the surface of lemon, the surface of ball, the surface of football, the surface of lemon, the surface of egg. They are curved surface. Yes. So, write fast. Right. It is clear. The surface. Yes. So plane surface means. Yes, right. Yes, I am right. Right this much. Right. Now you have to go parallelly with. See, you have to go parallel. You have to go parallelly with me. You are too much behind. Why? We are going slow only. चलो ठीक है. Now 10th. 10th. Yes, mute the microphone. True or false? Now we'll see true or false. We are given the line. Yes. Yes. No, we'll write the question. No problem. We are given the line. on this line there are points A, B. On this line there are points, draw this A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, F. On this line we have the points A, B, C, D, E, F. Now on the basis of this line and the points, on the basis of this line and the points, we have to write down the answer of true or false. On the basis of the line, we are given a line. It is clear, no? On the basis of, no, it is showing extremely clear, right? You see the connectivity of your phone, and I am going slow only, so that even if you have the problem, you can adjust that. So, yes, we are having the line. On this line there is a point A, B, C, D, E, F. Now first is points A, B, C, D, A. Points A, B, C, D. Points A, B, C. Points A, B, C, D lie on the line segment. Lie on the line segment. Lie on the line segment. Lie on the line segment BD. Wait. Lie on the line segment BD. Yet lie on the line segment BD. Whether the points A, B, C, D lie on the line segment BD. Now see here. Now first you see the line segment BD. This is my B and this is my D. Wait, this is my B and this is my D. This is my line segment BD. The line segment is BD. And on the line segment BD, we have only one point C. Yes? On the line segment BD, we have only one point C. But what is asked in the question? Whether the point A, B, C, D, they lie on this. So where is point A? Point A is outside. Point A is outside. Then point A is outside. So B, C, D, they lie on the line segment. But point A is outside. That is why the answer is false. So answer we write false. Answer is false. And you write the reason. False. The point A lie outside the line segment BD. The point A lie outside the line segment BD. So answer is false. Because if you see this, A is outside point, no? If you see the line segment BD, this is my line segment BD. The point A is outside. Since A lies outside the line segment BD, the answer is false. Because in the question it is given whether ABCD lies on the line segment BD. It is false. Now let us see the second part. B. Let us see the B part. You have to see the diagram and give the answer. You have to see the diagram and give the answer. Always you have to make use of this diagram which is given. Yes, draw the diagram, no, which I have drawn. We have the line segment BD. Only on that BD, C lies. A is outside. Now B is C and D are endpoints. C and D are endpoints. It is clear, right? C and D are endpoints of the line segment of the line segment CE, of the line segment CE. C and D are endpoints of the line segment CE. If you see the line segment CE, if you see the line segment CE, line segment CE, CE, there is D, D lies in between, no? So what are the endpoints of this line segment CE? Yes? What are the endpoints of this line segment CE? Yes, tell me. C and E. D is not the endpoint. D is in between the point. D, yes, D is in between the point. D is in between the point. So right, answer is false. You write D is in between point. D is in between point. D is in between point on the line segment C. D is in between point on the line segment C. So end points are C and E. End points are C and E. So you write end points are C and E. End points are C and E. D is not the end point. D is in between the point. So the answer is false. B is the point on the yes. B is a point. Write fast. Very slow in writing. We are going slow, and if you write slow, how will proceed? Yes, write fast. Write fast. Yes. Write fast. Now B is the point on the ray AF. Now B is a point. B is a point. B is a point. It is clear. B, it is clear, right? B is a point on the ray AF. It is clear. Yes. No. You see the adjustment. B is a point on the ray. B is a point on the ray AF. Now see, if you see the ray AF, this is my A and this is my F. This is my A and this is my F. On the ray AF there is point B. So what is the answer? B is a point on the ray AF. Yes. What is the answer? Answer is true. Because B is a point on the ray AF. So answer is true. It is clear, right? B is a point on the ray AF. Yes. Now see here. Because see here, we have to consider line segment BD. So we have to consider only this much part, BD. Now on the line segment BD there is point C, but where is point A? Point A is outside, no? Line segment BD means only this much part. So A is outside the point. A is outside the line segment. So the answer is false. Because it is given all the 4 point ABCD line. C and D are the endpoints. C and E are the endpoints. In second, C and E are the endpoints. If you see B is a point on the ray AF, if you consider the ray AF, the point B is clearly on that ray. Yes, so answer is true. Yes. The answer is true. Let me draw the diagram again because I have just A, B, C, D, E, F. Now let us do the D part. Let us do. B is a point on the ray AF. This is my ray AF. This is my ray AF. B lies on that. So answer is true. Now D. Yes, ray DA is same as ray DF. Ray DA is same as ray AF. Ray DA DA is same as AF. So let us draw DA. DA means starting point is D and end point is A. Yes. So wait. So this is my DA. In this way, this is my DA. This is my DA, and the ray DA is same as ray AF. Sorry, same as ray DF. Now this is my ray DF. See here, DF. But if you see, wait, see here. Now see, yes, see, the ray DA moves in this direction. The ray DF moves in this direction. So they are opposite rays. The ray DA moves in this direction and the ray DF moves in this direction. So they are opposite rays. No, ray. When you start from, write down DA and write down DA, ray DA and ray DA and DF are ray DA and DF are opposite rays. They are opposite rays. So answer is false. Answer is false. Because the ray DA moves in this direction, DS moves in this direction, so they are opposite rays. So answer is false. Answer is false because DA and DF, they moves in the opposite direction. DA moves in this direction, DF moves in this direction. So they are opposite rays. So they are opposite rays. Because DA moves in this direction, DF moves in this direction, so they are opposite rays. So they are not the same rays. Yes, you can leave. So, yes. Bye. Yes, bye. Take care. Yes.